Hey everyone! In this video, I'll share 2 effective methods to fix the disk write error that you might encounter while playing games on Steam. Method 1. First, search for Steam on your computer. Right-click on the Steam icon and select Open File Location. Once you're in the folder, right-click on the Steam shortcut and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. After that, restart Steam and try launching your game again. This method resolves the issue in most cases. Method 2. If you're still facing the disk write error, go back to Steam and click on Settings. Navigate to the Download section and find the Clear Download Cache option. Click on that to clear the cache. Next, head over to Storage, click on the 3 dots, and select Repair Library. Restart Steam and check if your game runs smoothly now. If you're still having trouble, here's an extra tip: make sure you have all the Microsoft Visual C redistributables installed from 2015 to 2022. You can easily find them by searching for Visual C online and selecting the first link. Download and install it. I hope you find these tips helpful. Please share in the comments which method worked for you. Your feedback could help others too. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming and tech tips.